Hi there friends, in today's iMovie tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your iMovie project. It's very simple, let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see I've got a little mountain bike movie that I was making, and this is kind of boring with just me talking about the different features of the mountain bike, and so I want to put some music in the background. Now I'm going to show you the easiest way that I actually import music, and that is simply from taking a track off of my desktop. It's kind of how I organize things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my project window, I'm just going to move this over, and as you can see I've downloaded a music track that I want to use for this project. There are free music tracks that you can get within YouTube Studio, by the way, so go check those out. These are royalty-free music that you can use in any of your movies. So once you have the track that you want to use, I'm actually just going to drag and drop it down here into the music window. So let me again show you, before I do that, let me show you kind of what that looks like. So what we have down here is we have this music bar that we can use. If you drop music down into this bar, it's going to go across the entire project as kind of a background soundtrack. If you just want to add music to a specific clip, then you need to choose where you want to put it based off of that clip. Again, if I'm taking this and I move it down to that bottom section again, you can see that it will go ahead and go across the entire project. If I want to set it up where it just is linked to a specific clip so that this doesn't adjust when I add new clips and things, then what I'll need to do is I'll take that music track and I'll just bring it up to the top clip. You can see right there it aligns with the end of it. Again, for this purpose, I'm going to drag this down into the bottom. So once we have it imported, I'm going to show you it actually imports very, very loud. So let's go ahead and play this really quick. Hey friends, just got back from a mountain bike ride. So as you can hear, it totally overlays my voice. You can't hear anything that I'm saying. We really want this to be at a lower level. So what you can do is you can actually take your cursor, you can hover over this little middle bar here. You can see that two arrows show up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that, and this gives you the ability to drag up and down based off of what you want that volume to be. Now again, if you have some speech in your original clip, you really need to bring these things down to under the 10% mark. They really can be loud and overwhelming, and you do want to hear that talking. So let's go back and let's see how that adjusts.
Hey friends, just got back from a mountain bike ride, and just snowed here in Colorado.
So there you go. You can see it's now at a manageable level. It's at a nice background kind of pace. Again, I really should kind of bring that down just a little bit more if you do want to clearly hear the words. And then once you want to ramp it back up, maybe you want it to be the full soundtrack, you can actually split this clip down here by clicking this, and then taking that bar and dragging it back up based off of the clip style that you want if you do want that music to be kind of prevalent. So that's how you kind of work with music, by adding it into your project. I hope that helps, friends. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? It lets us know we're making helpful videos. And hit that subscribe button because you got a lot more tips, tricks, and tutorial videos about iMovie that are coming up really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.